better person. You understand? Our Prime Minister will not hand you a $5,000 note and said that go and have a drink. No, Dr. Honorable Andrew Holness will never push you down the wrong path. This Prime Minister will encourage you to do better, to uplift yourself educationally. You understand? He will encourage you to uplift yourself. We have a brilliant leader. We have a brilliant leader. I don't care what you guys have to say about Andrew Holness. If it's not the truth, then me no want hear. Because the truth is right in front of us. Good morning, Kerry. Good morning, JLP Media. May I beg on some taps? So we tap up the screen and then we'll let up some people in the box. Because today we are talk facts. Some of them people are going on no want gun and handouts. And that can't work. Some of them are gun, they want the Prime Minister to come corrupt Jamaica. You know, look why I feel proud to see the Prime Minister I give one little young youth, one cow to start him little business. Check enough of them little eyeglass boy nowadays. Then would take a cow. Then would want the cow. You know, me feel good to see the Prime Minister I give a cow to one little youth for him go start life. You know how big of a start that is? You know how big of a start that is? Listen to me, I respect my Prime Minister and he's doing great. And I'm seeing the changes in the island. I am seeing the changes in the country, regardless of what people want to say. Listen to me, you guys want to paint a narrative of Andrew Holness, right? You don't want to paint a picture about it. Now go work. Because guess what? The opposition, the other party, wants to win to come flood Jamaica with gangs, guns, criminals. All of these things where Andrew Holness has significantly managed to decrease the amount of gangs when Andrew Holness take over leadership with. When Andrew Holness take over leadership, Jamaica full of gang, full of criminal. Andrew Holness placed a law say if you are caught with an illegal weapon, you will be facing 15 years behind bars. 15 years behind bar. And you tell me say them things don't work. Nobody no want an illegal gun again because nobody no want to spend 15 years a prison. Bro, listen to me. I love the JLP party and the JLP party is moving forward, and for this election I am putting my vote right at the JLP party. Me not vote nowhere else, and I'm encouraging everyone else to vote for the Jamaica Labour Party. If you want to see Jamaica prosper, vote for the Jamaica Labour Party. If you want to see Jamaica continue to move forward, vote for the Jamaica Labour Party. I am telling you, no, me not telling a lie, but you see Mark Golden, I don't see Mark Golden as a fitting leader. You understand? Not for me. Because all now me can't hear which plan them have. Feed Jamaica, which plan? Which plan? All now me not see the plan where them have for Jamaica. Listen to me. You see all of the people them where they there were hold on to tradition in the PNP party, leg off of that because that no make no sense. We want to see we country better and Andrew Holness make the country better. Andrew, you know the amount of PMP switch over to Andrew Holness because them see for themselves that Andrew Holness not prejudice. Him not prejudice because guess what? Andrew Holness go round and him help even people where they in a PMP stronghold areas. You understand? The man a give house to evil PNP. The other day, one youth house burn down, and the man rebuild him house. The man rebuild him house. You tell me say, I know this I no want see. What this Prime Minister supposed to be doing for their country? If you have a leader, your leader supposed to be helping whenever he can help. Your leader supposed to be leading in the right direction. But no, you no want to hear about free money. You no want to hear about handouts. You no want to hear about weapons when I make no sense. Andrew Holness, listen, me stand with you. Mr. Doctor Andrew Holness, I stand with you. No illegal weapon in the country. Make them go away. The criminal them. Next thing I want Andrew Holness to do is to build another prison. Yeah, man. Next thing I want Andrew Holness to do is to build another prison. There's too much criminals. You can imagine the other day, 200 guns was intercepted. 200 guns illegally tried to enter into Jamaica and it was intercepted. Suppose I never Andrew Holness did I lead the country. Them guns that would have come in at the country, I know how much life those guns would claim. Because after them use it for politics now, the guns them they out there loose and I run wild. So you know how much life them 200 gun dead did I come take. Even some of the same PMP people them where I thought this and I thought that about Andrew. Enough of them, the same guns them where them I go get I go turn upon them. I save Andrew save how much life the other day when he intercepted those guns. Jamaica can't take them they sitting there right now. A bill we a build back stronger. Me just come to America and me have 4 accounts. Listen, them can't paint no narrative of the Prime Minister, because the Prime Minister is no thief. Any thief are them. Any thief are them. You understand? Listen to me, and this is what me witness. Me as a labourite, my daddy a PNP, and me not see what PNP do for him. Me live in a PNP area, only a few labourites there, so me and a couple others. And the PNP them will live in this area for years. Never fix the road. Never, not even once. They not fix the road and then get up and then go vote for foolishness for one little beer money. Then go vote for one little beer money. You understand? And make them sweet them up. And guess what? They not fix the road for much years. So now Labour right take over and them not fix the road. Me not wrong them. Me would fix it either. I need him to say something about you saying money. With Andrew Holness business about you saying money. Andrew Holness look like one accountant too. No? Wanna take Andrew Holness, sir? The man are accountants. Andrew Holness is an accountant for you saying money. Listen to me, man. You don't stop on the foolishness. Me tell you, so you have this habit. You no in a nothing with Andrew Holness, but Andrew Holness name on a call as you need something. As you want to run to rescue Andrew Holness name on a call. You no go away from me, sir, brother. Stop calling the man name for foolishness. What the man for do about that? The man are accountants. Brother, no go away from here, sir, brother. Jamaican people, yo, you no want nothing good. You no want nothing good, but me tell you this, me nah make the mistake and vote for PNP and nobody can come tell me to put on orange. Not even my daddy him have to run me out of my house. Me nah put on the colour of the brother cause me see corruption and badness them people they are deal with and guess what? I kill youths, them nah build youths. Right now, you can link the Jamaica Labour Party and start your little chicken business. You can link the Jamaica Labour Party and you get a few votes. And me not tell you say them a do this because election a come up. Me tell you say them a do this because what? You have ambition and once the Jamaica Labour Party say that you have ambition, they will encourage you to move forward. You understand? The Jamaica Labour Party has launched a arts program, right? Where people who are struggle to go back to school, you can go back to school right now, you can go arts right now, and you are gonna receive up to $18,000 every week to finance yourself going back to arts. In which PNP era you ever hear something like that? PNP not encourage them things there. PNP want you to stay dunks and dark and stupid so that they can always manipulate you. The JLP party, Andrew Holness, want us to expand our minds. You understand? Learn more, get more information, get smarter. Get smarter. Listen to me. Most of you need to understand certain things and stop go around and chat foolishness. If a private man sell him land to man from China. What that have to do with Andrew Holness? If a private owner own 50 acres of land and him sell that land to a foreign investor, what that has to do with Andrew Holness? Me I tell you so now come with some things when no make no sense. No sense in a make. You understand? Only an idiot would have come and ask a question like that, friend. So what Andrew Holness will do? If you tell the private owner, say, oh, don't sell your lands to the Chinese. Don't do business with foreign investors. Don't sell your land to the Prime Minister no have no right to tell nobody that, bro. You understand? What you fear talk about, you fear talk about the urban centers them and the hospital them where because remember Montego Bay never have no hospital in a and a Andrew Holness rebuild and refurbish Montego Bay Hospital. Look how much place never have a health center and look how much place have health center now. Look how much community have a health center now. Have a clinic now. Look how much place never had those things. Look how much place never have water and them have water now. Listen to me, man. A one JLP straight. One JLP straight. I'm in a business. So they need to be educated. Is the PNP coming with the foolish questions? Because they're stupid. Alright, but we touch upon the gating. We have faced a crisis. From Portia days, the first Batman March took place when Portia was the Prime Minister. And that was the worst era for me. For me, I am speaking personally. That was the worst era in Jamaican history. The worst era ever. I don't see what Portia do. Nothing. Nothing at all, bro. I true Jamaica people so ungrateful. Them ungrateful, of course, but guess what? We are build back the country and we are build the country in the right way. You understand? We no business who want ungrateful. Right now, let me tell you what I go on. A JLP a feed them pain, them hungry belly PNP. Yeah? Them just a hold on to tradition. But them own leaders now help them. Them leaders now help them. And few leader help them same way. I give them house, I give them food, I start them business for them. The same PNP them. JLP I help them same way. Andrew Holness I help them same way. And still nah turn him back on them and say, oh, nah PNP I wanna nah vote for me, so me nah help you. The man help everybody. The man help, Andrew Holness help every single body. It doesn't matter which side. Me see, Andrew Holness stop and I talk to a woman who paint herself orange. And then I talk to her nice. And you want to see how the woman a give the Prime Minister attitude. And me I say, but she don't know herself. She don't know herself because you're speaking to the Prime Minister. And because you're with the opposition side, right? You give the Prime Minister attitude. You don't know yourself. And go judge and see the state of the levity of them conditions. She see the Prime Minister. How much people want to speak with the Prime Minister just to point out a few things where they need help on. And she got the opportunity and she waste it. She waste it. Because me can't tell us probably you're going to see how she live as a PNP. Probably she need the help. She need the Prime Minister intervention. But me, let me tell you this, man. Me stand for Jamaica. I stand with Andrew Holness. I stand for Jamaica. Me want to see my country better. And me want to see my people them a strive. Me want to see my people them a strive. That one talk could have changed her life.